Making a request to a RESTful API using Python. I have a RESTful API that I have exposed using an implementation of Elasticsearch on an EC2 instance to index a corpus of content. I can query the search by running the following from my terminal, macOS X. How do I turn above into an API request using Python/requests or Python/erlib2? Not sure which one to go for. Have been using erlib2, but hear that request is better? Do I pass as a header or otherwise?
Using requests. Depending on what kind of response your API returns, you will then probably want to look at response, text or response.json, or possibly inspect response.status_code first. See the quick start docs here, especially this section.
Using requests and JSON makes it simple. Call the API, assuming the API returns a JSON, parse the JSON object into a Python dict using json.loads function, loop through the dict to extract information. Request module provides you useful function to loop for success and failure. If response.ok will help you determine if your API call is successful, response code 200. Response.raise_for_status will help you fetch the HTTP code that is returned from the API. Below is the sample code for making such API calls. Also can be found in GitHub. The code assumes that the API makes use of digest authentication. You can either skip this or use other appropriate authentication modules to authenticate the client invoking the API.
Below is the program to execute the REST API in Python.
So you want to pass data in body of a GET request, better would be to do it in post call. You can achieve this by using both requests. Raw request. Sample call with requests.
using a peaceful visit time